So I am off for a couple of days, and a few of my locks fell out in different places. So I always save them so I can reattach them. I don't know why. It's just for me, my hair, reattaching my own hair to my head is more beneficial, and I find it easier for the lock to reattach when I use my own hair. But I'm going to have to take a safety pin. Look how long this lock is. So it probably was thin or weak somewhere, and you can still see the hair on that one where it came off. So some of my locks I've had to put together, so I am going to be reattaching these, and I have to use this safety pin to open them up. And after that, I'll use this little comb that I bought, because I haven't had a comb or a brush since my hair has been locked. And I'll use this part of it to tease it, meaning I will make it where it's all tangled up, and then it will be easy to reattach to my previous locks. My hair is so soft at the root, so I don't know. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them either was too thin, or the last person that I let lock my hair was about 5 or 6 months ago. She put some of my locks together, so I went through and cut off the ones that had 2 locks hanging from it, because she was trying to make the root of my locks stabilize. So all of these did not fall out of my head. Some of them were locks that were attached together at the root, and then once it started growing out and the root got stronger, then I just kind of cut the extra one off, and this is the result of them. So today I am going to, after I cook my breakfast, I'm going to reattach these to my head. And I've done one so far, but it's gonna take a while, because again, like I said, I have to sit here and use a safety pin. I bought some safety pins to reattach, and then I'll use my crochet needles, probably the 0.75, because I find that the small one doesn't really reattach really good, so I'll probably use this one to reattach the locks. It's kind of blurry. I don't know why it's blurry, but okay, there it is. So 0.75. So I'll use this one to reattach it, and then after I do that, I'll just twist it with another one and let it stay twisted for about a week, so it can start back growing together, and there will be no pressure to the lock. So that's why I normally tie them together. But I just want to come on here and show you this is what I'm doing on my Monday. I do have to go grocery shopping later, so I can stock up on my food for the week, because my week will start on Tuesday. Normally I'm off on Saturday and Sunday, but because I'm on a different account temporarily, I am working Tuesday through Saturday. I have 2 more weeks to go. 1 week down, being on the road for 3 weeks. So again, just want to come and share that with you. I do know how to install braid locks. I'll be making a video soon about that, where you can book if you want braid locks, and I'll show you how I put braid locks in my daughter's hair, and now her hair, I can't talk. Her hair looks like sister locks. They look actually better than mine's, actually. And again, I'll have a link if you want to get your hair, get braid locks if you can't afford the sister locks. But your hair will start looking like this eventually after a while. But at the beginning, it won't. But as it grow out and you keep getting it retightened and retightened, your hair will start to look like sister locks. So again, I am reattaching these locks that I had that was added to another lock to make the foundation of that lock strong. And once it grew out, I just kind of took it out, you know, cut them apart, so I can just have them for backup for any other locks. And I have like 2 or 3 that I need to reattach at the top and a few in the back of my head. So this is what I'll be spending my day, half of my day doing. The other half I'll be working on my computer and putting some other things together. Have a good day. Bye-bye.